We are watching Bitcoin on the weekly right now, and what we see here is that we saw a bounce on the EMA 50, and we could see right now, obviously, here bounce back to the EMA 20, which is around 89K. But what is interesting is the real big picture, how I imagine we could see here the bull market, because in my opinion, as I told you, the bull market didn't end. In my opinion, it's very similar to the previous bull market. I think we will see something like a double top. As I told you before, we still didn't retest here the previous all-time high at around 78, 79K. No, wait, it's not 79, it's around 73K, 74, 73K. So I think we will see some consolidation to the downside, retest 73K, then we will go up, retest the previous all-time high and create a new all-time high around $113,000, and then we are going into bear market. And the bear market are expecting to hit here the previous top, which will be approximately, we will see Bitcoin around 60, maybe even $50,000, and then we are going again into a bull market in 2027 approximately, which speaks for a double top. And $112,000 is what I told you already is the big where the big liquidity is lying. And you see here the big liquidity is lying here above $100,000, and for sure we will not see a dump below 70K before they not pick up all the liquidity at 100K. So in the immediate short term, I'm expecting here that we could see, wait a minute here, in the immediate short term, we could see some, we are watching by the way on the 15-minute, we could see some drop here. We will retest this line probably at 82K, and then we will see a drop to around 79K or around 77K. But I think we could see here a retest, as I told you before, at around 89K before we see here a retest of 73K again. But as soon as we retest at 73K, which is our price target from this head and shoulders, which we broke down, the price target 73K. As soon as we reach 73K, then I'm expecting we are going again up to our price level of around $110,000, $111,000. Important to watch today, there is the CPI, Consumer Price Index, and the forecast is it will come lower than the previous one. The previous one is right now 3.0%, 2.9% is the forecast. So if it's coming as expected, probably nothing will change. If it comes higher than expected, then we'll see dump. If it comes lower than expected, then we will see pump. And also important, here we will have in 7 days the Fed meeting, and there's a probability of 97% that they will not cut the rates. In case they will cut the rates, then we would see massive pump in the market. So watch out for this. Right now, nothing is speaking for there's no reason why they should cut the rates. And also important for the immediate short term, we see here a much more long positions could get liquidated than shorts in the immediate short term. So this is exactly what we see here on the 15 minutes. It's in perfect alignment on 15 minutes. We're breaking the structure. Bitcoin is breaking down. So we could see retest of 88 or 77K area before we see again upside to 89K. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.